Nucor is a highly decentralized and autonomous organization. America's most diverse steel and steel products manufacturer, and a focus on circular steel economy and focus on sustainability or a sustainable way to make steel. Think about a large organization like us, which is highly decentralized, right? So we're a big steel manufacturer, tons of steel across the company, so that's a big use case across supply chain and working capital. A couple of the things we're working on is demand forecasting, so how can we balance our demand for raw materials and predict better? Then inventory optimization, which helps us right-size our working capital and then helps us feed our integrated supply chain. We struggle to bring scale of the organization into the picture because there's different realities of, or different versions of forecast at each business level. And using the C3 application, we've been able to aggregate all that, and over time, as we have done this, we've improved our forecast accuracy to the tune of 3 to 6%, which, if you think about it, we have approximately removed about 10% production ambiguity out of our system. So that's a significant working capital improvement for our company, and of the size of millions of dollars. I would say significant at least. We're taking complexity and making it simple for the teammate to focus on the right process. We're taking risk out of the business, and then we really like the concept of how we can leverage the C3 team to break down problems into simple chunks or solvable chunks, and how we can leverage a platform so each problem we solve now helps us get a little closer to the bigger picture solution. And then as we are engaging in more and more applications, the data that gets into the system, those applications all work together to get inherently better results the more we use them. What we've found with the C3 team is it's the people, it's the technology, it's a culture fit with our team, and we're very in-person culture, and so is the C3 team, and we inherently leverage that culture to basically solve problems together.